Yo, what is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. I'm sorry we've been MIA. Had a few parties going on this weekend. It was 4th of July. You know how it is. But we are here to update you with AMC, and there is a lot to talk about. So without further ado, consider smashing the like if you like this video at all or take anything out of it. And consider joining the fam. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Alright guys, now I know this might look messy and I know it might look complicated, but I want to get right into the juices. So we're on the weekly chart on AMC, and I want you to take a look at this spot and this spot. And this is going to correlate where we're at now. So keep this in the back of your head, but before we touch on that, I wanted to touch on these green lines I have laid out. Each one of these represents when AMC sees a move. For example, you can see this move up to 20, and you can see this started moving out of the pennant. You saw this move right here, and this big push to the downside. This move up here where we got halted around 34 bucks, and you're coming up on this level right about now. I do see a big move coming, and I'm extremely bullish on it, and I'm going to explain why right now. So again, we're taking a look at these two spots, and why do we take a look at these two spots? As you guys can see, I have this pennant drawn out 3 times, and I'm going to pop us over on the 45-minute time frame and show you why we're taking a look at these spots. Now this is where we broke out of this pennant that I had drawn out the first time, and if you copy and paste the bars pattern from this and drag it over to the run up before 70 bucks, matching it up, this is what you're going to see. A pretty identical move, but not ever to the T, right? You see something exactly like this. Now if you take this and you drag it to where we're at now, you're going to get something like this. And what I like to call this is the pre-run or the preset or the pre-jump, whatever you want to call it. And this is pretty much the big pop before the next big rip. And I do think we're at that time frame given all of the things that happen. Now, what has to come into play for this to actually happen? The S&P 500 or the overall market, in my opinion, has to have some sort of relief bounce or relief rally. And guess what? We are seeing it, in my opinion. I really do think we are seeing it. The FOMC meeting came out today, and they're expecting another 50 to 75 basis point hike, and the market actually liked that. It priced it in pretty well, and this is the only time it's actually fighting back this downtrend and starting to curve to the upside. And remember, it doesn't take us, to completely rebound and make new highs for these short squeeze plays or these small to medium cap companies to actually rip. All it takes is pressure buildup, pressure buildup. And when you get to a certain point, these stocks are going to rip. And I do think we are at that level. It's broken all of the lines I've had drawn out for right now. So currently I'm bullish on the S&P 500. I'm bullish on the overall market. I'm bullish on AMC. And that is why whatever this video is titled is going to be crazy, like load the boat or something. Because in my opinion, I think we're here. I really do. And even if you weren't looking at this crazy technical analysis, right, take a look at the short term, okay? What you have here is a rising wedge. So anytime you see something like this, right, guys, you're expecting a break to the upside. This is bullish. And what we're looking at is this setup right here. So even in the short term, I think AMC is bullish. Not only are we coming up around that cycle period, but we're also coming up on that next big rip that we copy and pasted over. And this is why I'm actually getting extremely bullish on AMC. As for GameStop, 45% or more of the float was actually DRS, which is absolutely nuts. Yeah, GameStop on the weekly looks pretty good. It's still curling around right here. I assume GameStop's going to go green tomorrow and actually get this bounce as well as AMC. Hopefully, pretty soon, we do see that big next rally. Few key things to go over. So we went over the FOMC minutes, and then now Voyager, okay? Voyager account holders likely won't get all their crypto back. I don't know how true that is. I had like a little bit in Voyager, but it's not really anything I'm paying attention to. But Voyager actually is going bankrupt, okay? Crypto firm's bankruptcy plan says users will be impaired. Voyager lends customer deposits to other crypto market players. So that's the news on that, guys. More crypto companies, more hedge funds, everything is crumbling, everything is falling. Guys, real quick, just for depositing a penny or a dollar, you can get up to 10 free stocks. Make sure to hit that link pinned to the top of comments and pinned in the description to get your 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 free stocks. Not even that, forget about the stocks. It takes 5 minutes to sign up. You get access to options going long, going short, and you get access to level 2 in the order book. Overall, guys, we are going to touch on Redbox really quick, but in order for this follow through pre-run or pre-push that I'm looking for AMC, volume really has to pick up. Volume's extremely low. Under 30 million is not looking good at all for volume on AMC. I just wanted to touch on Redbox really quick in case anybody is in it, but it actually just bounced off of one of these trend lines that I had drawn out for Redbox. I don't have the craziest technical analysis with this. I have something super simple drawn out on Redbox, and I would consider this a YOLO bets play, which is one of the channels in the free Discord. Make sure you guys join that. But I would consider this a YOLO play if you guys want to get in. It is finding support. It's seeming to find support, at least on the daily. Overall, guys, I'm really glad I got to check in with you guys. I appreciate you guys waiting patiently. I apologize for going MIA, but honestly, it might have just been like a day or so, but usually we do update every day. It actually felt good to take a break and, you know, build up more to talk about, so it's not just a blatant, boring video. I really appreciate you guys hopping in for the video. Make sure to smash that like, hit that subscribe, turn post notifications on, and make sure to drop a comment below. Even if you didn't like the video, please just drop a comment and let me know, like, hey, can you touch more on this? Can you talk more about that? Or, you know, did you see this, that, or if I was wrong on something, you were wrong on this, that, anything. Make sure to be positive, though. No hate. I love you all, guys. Enjoy the rest of your night. Also, check the merch down below for your AMC merch, your Against the SEC, Against Gary Gensler merch. Make sure to become a member below. We actually just funded the Tradeovate account where we are going to be doing live futures day trading. The money dropped in so I can start trading whenever. So that will be being updated pretty soon on the channel. Make sure all the links are down below. Get your free stocks. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.